Okay, so now that you've made your recording in GarageBand and saved it on your desktop as an MP4 file, here's mine right here. Here is how you upload it to SoundCloud. So first of all, you can just put in SoundCloud. If you have your own SoundCloud account, that's great. You can do it there. But if you want to use mine, go ahead and scroll on down here to under Topic 1. You can see here is our SoundCloud account. Click on this link right here. Pay attention to this email and password right here because you'll need that for putting in your file. So first of all, you should click on here and you'll see this, and you can listen to other people's. You can see there's some other kids who have uploaded their Chico or Chica Ideal assignments, and that's awesome. Take a listen and enjoy. But up here at the top, go to Upload. I'm sorry. First of all, if you have trouble signing in, let me exit out of this and see if I can do this a different way. I'm just going to Google SoundCloud. And I don't know, it might remember me on this computer, so that won't be a good idea. Oh, let's go down here to sign in. And what you want to do is you're going to get a screen like this if you haven't been to SoundCloud before. And right here, click up here with sign in with Google. Don't put in your email address and password here. No, no. Go up here to sign in with Google, and that's where you're going to put in the email and password. So, oh, here it is. So what you're going to do is you'll put it in there, and you put in the email address SpanishRoom113@gmail.com. The password is SP113, SP113, and that will get you to this screen. Again, sign in with the orange Google thing instead of in the regular email and password spot. Okay? If you have trouble signing in, let me know, but again, sign in with Google. So click up here to upload, and then from here we're going to choose a file to upload. Click. So remember, we saved it to our desktop, correct? And we saved it with our name, and it's an MP4 file. So, oh look, right here, Senora Glenn M4A. There's my music note. I'm going to click on that and click Choose. So here is my file. Now you do have to have tags. So put in hashtag, if you're Spanish one, hashtag SP1113. You do have to click add hashtag. You do have to click add it. And then put hashtag Chico Ideal. And again, you have to click add. If you're in Spanish too, you're going to put in hashtag SP2113 and hashtag La Vampirata. If you want to describe your track, you can. You don't have to. Make sure it's public. That way, when you get your QR code, I can listen to it. And please uncheck Twitter right here. We don't want this to go clogging up the class Twitter feed right now. We can share them later on Twitter if we want, but make sure all of these are unchecked. We don't want to save them or link them to any of these right now. So now once you have your name and you have hashtag SP1113, hashtag Chico or Ideal, you can, and Twitter is unchecked, click save. So now here is our track. So from here, click on here to go to your track. Now let's listen and see if that's the one we thought it was.
Hola, me llamo Señora Glenn. Yo vivo en Kodiak, Alaska. A mí me gusta mucho correr, ir en excursión.
Cool. Sounds just like the one we recorded, isn't it? Awesome. So now it's successfully uploaded to SoundCloud. So now what we need to do is figure out how to share it from here. So if you go down here to this little square with the arrow, share, click share, and right here it gives you this link highlighted. This is the link that you need to put into the QR code generator. So I'm just going to push Command C. I'm going to copy that link. And then I'm going to go back to Moodle. You could just Google in the top QR code generator, but it's here in Moodle. It'll take a second to load. Going back to Moodle to this section, and it says qrcodegenerator.com. I'm going to click on this. And I'm going to paste the URL right here. Command V, paste. Now click Create QR Code. So we want to make sure it's on static. That means it's just a one-time QR code. We don't need to reuse it. So this is your QR code right here. You can download it if you want to, but you know what? Honestly, the easiest thing is just to go Command-Shift-4. That gives you these cross hatches, and you can take a screenshot of it. See what I'm doing right there? I just selected the QR code that I wanted. Took a screenshot, and that sends that screenshot right to my desktop. Here it is right here. Okay, now from here I've recorded my my assignment, I've uploaded it to SoundCloud, and now I linked it to, and I gave it a QR code. Now what I can do is I can go back down to my document, remember, because this is how you need to turn it in, and you just drag your QR code onto your document right here. I'm just going to drag it from my desktop right here. So this thing isn't formatted correctly. You want to make sure it's all on one page. It's just easier. So click up here to format picture, wrap text. I always remember kick the dog through the door. If you click through, that lets you move it, and you can rescale it without messing up your text. Okay? So now make sure to save it and then print it from here. And what I should see is when I scan this QR code right here, I should hear your voice reading your assignment right here, reading this assignment right here. Once you have that finished, you can print it off and turn it in to me. Nice job.